Hi, welcome back to our channel. For this week's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the label width with that PT-1280 label maker. Let's get started.
All right, welcome back to our 1280 series. I'm going to show you how to adjust the width of your letters. So how much space is between each letter. So again, let's say here, we're going to go goodbye because if you follow along on every video, I say hello. So we'll do this. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit that function key. I'm going to arrow to until I see width and hit OK. So we have normal times 2.5. Normal is the normal. Let me pull that up here. So this is what a normal width looks like, standard. Times 2 is double that space. And I'll print that and show you. I'll hit OK and I'll print that. So you can kind of see what the difference is. And again, this is just controlling the length of the letters between and how wide each letter is. So as you can see, it really stretched out each letter. And so again, we'll go function, width, and then I'm gonna arrow to half so you can kind of see. And then I'm gonna, with the same word, I'll do a normal just so you can really get a good comparison. So that's half, so it's pretty scrunched together. And then we're gonna go function, width, okay. And we'll do a normal and print. So this is a normal width. This is times 2 width. And this is a half. So same word. And then that's how different you can make it just with the width. So again, this is times 2, half, and normal width. And again, all I did was hit that function key. We arrowed over to width and selected OK, and then we were able to go through our options there.
And it's as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week as we continue on with a brand new label maker series. See you then. Bye-bye.